In the latest, that Sonia Gandhi, in fact, has written a letter wherein she's attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party. She's expressed regret, though, over her inability to attend the Congress centenary celebrations in Belgavi. She's accused the NDA government of threatening Mahatma Gandhi's ideals and has, in fact, attacked the BJP for creating an environment which led to the death of Mahatma Gandhi. So that's a detailed letter which has been written by Sonia Gandhi while expressing her regret in not being able to attend the celebrations in Belgavi. This is a jibe being taken by her against the BJP. Going across to Pallavi Ghosh, joining us with more details after much furore over, the distorted map featuring on some of these welcome banners and flexes. DK Shivkumar coming out with a clarification. This is Sonia Gandhi now taking a step further in attacking the BJP around the celebrations. Pallavi, what do you make of it?
Well, Belgavi was chosen because this is where the last address of the Mahatma came in from, and therefore 100 years, that centenary is what is being commemorated by the Congress party, and they're going to use this platform, one, of course, to fix up a roadmap for 2025 and also to attack the BJP over the constitution and the Ambedkar issue. Sonia Gandhi has ended up saying something similar to what her son Rahul Gandhi had also said, and remember that was the point in which he had faced a defamation notice, ultimately leading to his disqualification. She has very clearly, without taking names of either the BJP or the RSS, held them as responsible for being held responsible for the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, while also at the same time making the larger point that the ideals of the Mahatma, that his belief that there has to be equality of all, no one should be victimized on the basis of the religion that they belong to, has all been compromised because of the Modi government in power at the center for the third time round. So it's going to evoke very strong responses from the BJP. We'll have to wait to see if any kind of legal action is going to be mulled by them, because the BJP has made it very clear that we have always respected the father of the nation, and to make these unsubstantiated allegations against us invites a defamation notice.